Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov, and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe.
Today I will focus on Kyrgyzstan and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Although Kyrgyzstan has historically had a more open political environment than many of its neighbors, recent years have seen a sharp decline in respect for human rights and democratic freedoms. Peaceful protesters, journalists, opposition politicians, and civil society activists have increasingly been subjected to harassment, arbitrary arrest, and prosecution under vague national security laws. Freedom of assembly and association has been severely restricted, with independent media outlets and NGOs facing closure or intimidation by authorities. Ethnic minorities, particularly ethnic Uzbeks, have faced discrimination and violence, most notably during the 2010 ethnic clashes in Osh and Jalalabad. Those communities continue to face exclusion and limited access to justice and public services. Women and girls in Kyrgyzstan face significant gender-based violence, including bride kidnapping and domestic abuse. Although laws have been passed to address these issues, enforcement remains weak and survivors are often pressured to remain silent. LGBT individuals face social stigma, harassment, and violence. While same-sex relationships are not criminalized, there are no legal protections against discrimination or hate crimes. LGBT people are at risk of police abuse and blackmail. Returnees who have fled due to political persecution or LGBT discrimination may be targeted for questioning, surveillance, or harassment by state security agencies upon return. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.